Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're looking at two products from Rokform. This is the Rokform Beyond Protection Fuzion MagSafe Wallet with stand. That's right here. And this comes with CNC machined aluminum body, along with, it can hold up to 7 cards and 3 bills. It's MagSafe compatible, and because it's Rokform made, they have extra strength MAGMAX magnets, and we'll show you that in a moment. This is here, comes with a couple of screws in case any of these screws come loose. You can put them right back in, but they are secure right out of the box. And then over here, we have the Rokform iPhone 14 Pro Max Eagle 3 case for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. It has a magnet, and you can see that right here. This is the MagSafe magnet that's compatible. And there's a couple other features right here that will be in the description below. You can go ahead and pause this video at any time also to take a look. Here's some more information on the back. And this is one of their lightest and most rugged cases. So if you're golfing, you want light products to be handling around. And so that's this case. Some more information there. This is what the case looks like on the inside. You can see in the grip area here, and then this right here is the see-through, so you can see the Apple just like this. And then you have the extra range protection right there. For the camera cluster, you have the open button area for your mute switch. And then the button cover right here for the on. I like that you're able to see the Apple logo and color of your phone as well. And then here is the wallet. There's the Fuzion magnetic wallet right here with MAGMAX capabilities. This is the stand, so this flips up. We'll show you how all this works. We have a couple cards in here. All right. It's very strong. The MAGMAX magnets are unbelievably strong. So you just flip this out, and then you can view your content like that, or you can view your content like this. Multiple different ways to use that kickstand, but this seems to be the most popular way, like that. And landscape mode. This is the Rokform iPhone 14 Pro Max Eagle 3 magnetic case for golfing, and attached to the back is the Fuzion MagSafe Wallet with MagMax extra magnets. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.